Hello friends, welcome to radio frequency classes. In this video, I will explain the current and voltage characteristics of the Zener diode. So in my previous lecture, I have explained the PN junction diode characteristics, IV relation. It is approximately same, but the reverse bias characteristics if you'll see for a Zener diode, this Zener breakdown comes earlier than the breakdown of the normal PN junction diode. The reason behind is that we are doing more doping. Okay, the level of doping, or we say impurity addition in the diode, is more. So instead of the normal diode, when we are using the Zener diodes, this breakdown voltage we can control it by adding the extra impurity. So when we do the high doping, there will be a tunneling effect. So due to this tunneling effect, that breakdown comes a little bit earlier, and easily electric field is broken in the reverse bias direction. So we can control the reverse breakdown voltage, and the application of this kind of Zener diode is to control the voltage supply corresponding to any given load by controlling the Zener current and the load current. So the voltage is always remains constant across the load, even though the current varies, or if you are varying the load resistance value. So we are going to see the Zener diode IV characteristics using the LT Spice tool. So in my previous video, I have explained about the circuit. So the same circuit I am following it here. We are connecting a normal diode. So what we will do, we will just select here the component library for the voltage source. So from this component library, we have to type here VOL, press OK, and then define this voltage source. Select register from here, place it one register with certain value, 100 or 200, it depends upon us. Only this current value will change depending upon this register. And then select this diode and place it here. Once you'll select the diode, after this we have to right click here and pick new diode. So going to this pick new diode, we have to select a Zener diode from this library. So there are available, a lot of diodes are available in the library. I am selecting 1N750 for a reference, made by On Semi manufacturers, Zener diode. Its breakdown is 4.7 volt. It means there will be sharp current flow at the 4.7 volt in the reverse direction, so that we can verify in the simulation. So once we selected this, so you can see here it is defined 1N750. I'll delete this extra diode. Fine. So for this 1N750, approximately 4.5 volt is the breakdown voltage. So once you have defined this and then register this voltage source, and you connected the ground, completed the circuit. After this, we have to go to the simulate option. In edit simulation command, we have to select the DC sweep, define the V1 voltage, type of sweep is linear, start value minus 10 volt, stop value 5 volt, increment of 0.1 volt, and press OK. This DC sweep will be defined. One thing we have to do, which is the net listing, because we need voltage here across the D1 diode. So we have to define. So use the option of level net. Here you can type small v d, whatever you will be typing it while changing. We have to remember that the same voltage source or the value what we are giving it here should be given at the time of plotting the curves. So once you type here and press OK, now see this VD is ready. You can place it here to get the potential available near the diode. So I have placed here this VD already. So after this, once we'll simulate the circuit, we'll go to run option, we'll simulate it. You can see the graph, this kind of graph you'll be getting. But for this, again I'll do it. Already I have done it, that's why it was not visible. Once we completed the circuit, we have to go to run option, simulate. and then we'll bring the cursor near to this diode, and when we'll click it, this kind of graph is there. See, now we can see this linear graph. So right now this current versus this V1 is only available. Okay, so the plot is between the current and the voltage source. So we'll go here near the horizontal axis. When yellow color ruler is available, right click and type here, delete the 1, inside the braces type VD, small VD, what I have given, and press OK. So now you can see there is a nice curve, exponential increase in the forward direction, and in the reverse direction we can see approximately at 4.5 volt we are seeing the breakdown, which was defined for this Zener diode. And in the forward direction, as it is a silicon type, approximately 0.7 volt is the threshold voltage after which exponential current is flowing. So this way we can find out the IV characteristics of the Zener diode. Thank you. In next video, I'll explain about the Zener diode application in form of voltage regulator and how it provides the stable voltage across the load. Thank you for watching the radio frequency classes videos. If you like, kindly subscribe it and share with your friends.